So in this Wise app tutorial, I will be showing you how to enter a referral code here on the Wise application. So once Wise is opened up, go to the bottom left, make sure you're on the home screen. Once that is done, go to the top left and select your profile icon. Once you're on this page right here, I want you to scroll down a little bit to where it says actions and agreements, and then where it says referrals, send and manage referrals, go ahead and select that option. Once that is done, it'll bring you to this page right here where there's a bunch of different options, but where it says enter a referral link, go ahead and select that. Once that is done, you can go ahead and add a referral link. So because you can only do this within 30 days of signing up, and my account was created over 30 days ago, I'm not able to, but where you can enter the link right here is if you find a referral link, you can enter it, press submit, and then get the perks and bonuses of entering a referral link that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to enter a referral code or a referral link here on the Wise application. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.